In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove express shipping on Shein, ensuring a smooth and budget-friendly shopping experience. Let's dive right in and walk through each step so you can avoid unnecessary shipping fees. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to www.shein.com. Once you're there, sign into your Shein account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one using your email address, but assuming you do, just enter your login credentials and get started. Next, let's browse and add the items you're interested in purchasing to your shopping bag. Take your time selecting your products, whether it's trendy clothing, accessories, or anything else that catches your eye. Once you've gathered all your items, it's time to proceed to the checkout process. In the top right corner, you'll find the bag icon. Click on it to see the items you've added. Once you're satisfied, click on the checkout button to continue. Now you'll arrive at the shipping methods section. This is an important part, so pay attention to the options listed here. You should see two shipping options: standard shipping and express shipping. The express option tends to be more expensive and usually only speeds up delivery by a few days. So to save some money, all you need to do is select standard shipping instead of express shipping. Just click on the option for standard shipping and you'll see your total cost update automatically. The additional charge for express shipping will be removed, allowing you to stick to your budget without any hassle. After confirming your shipping method, you'll want to move on to the payment section. Here, you can enter your preferred payment details, whether it's a credit card, debit card, or any other available method. Finally, double-check everything from your items to your shipping address to make sure it's all correct and ready for order placement. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click on the Place Order button. Congratulations, you've successfully removed express shipping and placed your order with a more economical shipping choice. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to ensure you're making the most cost-effective choice with your Shein orders. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident in managing your online shopping experience with Shein. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!